My beloved Biafrans, I greet you wherever you are this very moment. And I want to say good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Depends on your time zone. At the same time, I want to say you are welcome to Biafra Universal TV. For some time now, about 2 days now to 3 days, barely, I have not been around. I made a journey. I traveled out of the country for some issues necessary for Biafra freedom fighting. So now I am back, and sincerely I want to thank each and every one of you for your efforts you have been making to ensure the reality of Biafra sovereign state. So God will bless you and bless you more and more. So please, without taking much of your time, I would like you to air your view, make your comment freely and constructively without insulting anybody. And at the same time, I must appreciate my viewers, my returning viewers, and my subsequent viewers. So please try to make this video to go viral and share it and let others know what is going on in our beloved country, Biafra. So, as it stands now, without taking much of your time, I have been trying to know the reason why our able leader, Nnamdi Kanu, decided to stand before the Federal High Court for himself without a judge, without a lawyer, without a lawyer. So, but I come to discover that his family members are in support of that. Maybe it was the discussion of their family member, his family member. I wouldn't know. But there are some issues surrounding that standing before the court to stand for himself before the court. So it's like all the lawyers maybe are no longer needed. So, because when you look at this case very well, you discover that Nnamdi Kanu have no case with the Nigeria government, and Nnamdi Kanu have no case with Kenya government about what has happened for his kidnap. When you look at the whole thing, it is illegal. Yes, his kidnap was illegal. He was illegally kidnapped from Kenya. So now, bringing him down to Nigeria is to torture him after torturing him in Kenya, because I believe that the Nigerian DSS doesn't have any job, and all of them are, call it herdsmen. All the Nigeria DSS are herdsmen, Fulani herdsmen. So they don't know anything about the law. They only play insignificant roles in every part of the country. And it has gotten to the extent that no part of the country that needed them. So what I'm trying to tell you is that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu have decided to defend himself in the court without a lawyer. So what could this mean to you? Mazen Nnamdi Kanu complained of the slowness of judicial process of Nigeria, the protocols of the lawyers, and whatever they are doing. The whole thing is very slow. So to him, because he is somebody who knows law, he is somebody who read law. All right? So, but they want to mistake his gentility to stupidity. And that is where now Nigeria government ran into a big problem since the Buhari regime to Tinubu. Because Tinubu doesn't know anything. He didn't go to school. He doesn't know anything. That's how Buhari doesn't know anything. He didn't go to school. So, and these are the people who are busy mentioning reasonable offense, terrible felony, this, that. You look at how they are pronouncing it and the rest of them, your mind will tell you that these are a group of illiterates. Because if there is anything in the Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's issue, what are you investigating for 4 to 5 years? You have not finished investigating the person. Either you imprison the person or you release the person. But why it is the way it is because Nigeria is not a country. Nigeria have no law. Nigeria violate the rules of law. Nigeria, because they don't have law. Their law schools, whether if they goes there to learn how to, destroy a country, not to run a country. And this is why everybody now from every side is crying about the Nigerian government. So what I'm trying to say in effect of what I'm seeing and what I'm hearing is that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, in his wisdom, decided to stand for himself so that he can be able to speak his mind, so that he can be able to let the whole world know how the whole thing that happened to him happened, and so that this matter can be off once and for all. So what I'm expecting myself is his release. So I don't know about you, because there is nothing they have to do to him. He is not guilty of any offense because he did not commit any offense. He did not violate any law. But people who didn't know law say that he violated the law. So now he is preparing himself to stand before Justice James on Friday. That will be 21st March. 2025.